99% of people are using AI completely wrong. They think ChatGPT is the ultimate limit. But the smartest 1% are secretly using next-generation AI tools to automate their entire lives, saving over 100 hours every single month. If you are still writing notes manually, editing videos for hours, or staring at a blank presentation screen, you are losing the game. In this video, I will reveal 10 illegal-feeling AI tools that will put you years ahead of everyone else. Number 1, Google Notebook LLM. This tool completely eliminates the need to read long documents. You can drop any massive PDF, book, or article into this application, and its advanced AI will instantly turn it into a realistic, high-quality audio podcast. 2 AI hosts will literally sit and discuss your document in a highly engaging conversation, giving you the entire summary while you relax and listen. Number 2, Opus Clip. Content creation is highly profitable, but editing takes forever. Opus Clip solves this instantly. You just paste any long-form YouTube video link, and its AI automatically analyzes the footage, extracts the most engaging parts, and cuts it into 10 viral short reels. It even adds dynamic, colorful captions and emojis automatically, giving you months of content in one click. Number 3, Napkin AI. Creating visual diagrams and mind maps for presentations or study notes used to take hours. With Napkin AI, you don't need any design skills. You simply type or paste your text, and the AI reads your mind to instantly generate perfect professional visual graphics, icons, and charts that perfectly represent your ideas. Number 4, Ideogram. Most AI image generators fail miserably when it comes to rendering text, creating weird, unreadable gibberish. Ideogram is the absolute king of typography. It allows you to generate stunning images, logos, and poster designs with flawless, crystal clear text, rendered perfectly inside the graphic with 0 spelling errors. Number 5, Granola AI. If you attend online meetings, interviews, or classes, this tool is a lifesaver. Unlike other transcription bots that announce themselves and ruin the meeting vibe, Granola runs completely silently in the background. It listens to the entire conversation and automatically crafts ultra-clean, professional, and actionable meeting notes. Number 6, Gamma App. Stop wasting time creating PowerPoint slides from scratch. With Gamma App, you just type a single sentence describing what you want. In less than 30 seconds, the AI generates a complete, beautifully designed presentation, document, or even a fully functional web page, packed with matching images and clean layouts. Number 7, WhisperFlow. Typing is slow, and dictation tools are usually frustratingly inaccurate. WhisperFlow changes everything. You just hold a shortcut key, speak naturally with all your pauses and filler words, and the AI instantly converts your voice into perfectly formatted, highly professional prose across any application on your computer. Number 8, Google VO. This is Google's latest generation video powerhouse. It understands cinematic language perfectly. You can take any existing video clip and describe the changes you want to see, such as changing a sunny background into a cinematic winter storm, and the AI modifies the video seamlessly with unbelievable realism. Number 9, Descript. If you create faceless videos or present on camera while reading a script, you know how hard it is to maintain eye contact. Descript has a revolutionary eye contact correction feature. Even if you are staring down at your phone or notepad while recording, the AI digitally shifts your eyes to make it look like you are staring directly into the camera lens. Number 10, Goblin Tools. When you have a massive project or a highly complicated task, it is easy to feel completely overwhelmed. Goblin Tools is a brilliant free platform where you just paste your massive goal, and the AI automatically breaks it down into tiny, effortlessly manageable steps, completely eliminating your procrastination. The links to all these mind-blowing tools are pinned in the description below. If you want to stay ahead of 99% of people in this rapid AI revolution and learn how to monetize these secret technologies, smash that subscribe button right now. Don't miss my upcoming videos. See you in the next one.